Here's what to expect when your Power Keys arrives. Power it on and slide it open. This puts it into pairing mode. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and select Power Keyboard. Your phone is now paired to the first channel on the 1 key. Let's say you also want to pair Power Keys to your tablet. Hold down the Power key and press the number 2. See how the light is flashing blue? Go to your tablet's Bluetooth settings and select Power Keys -2 here. Now your tablet's paired to channel 2 on the 2 key. To switch between your phone and your tablet, press Power 1 for phone and Power 2 for tablet. The light will flash and go solid when you're connected. You can repeat this for up to 9 different devices, pairing things with every single number on the number row. For the best experience, be sure to install the Clicks app from Apple App Store or Google Play. You can review all your paired devices here and control settings like the backlight and wireless charging. To get you started, here are a couple of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. You can turn wireless charging on and off with a keyboard shortcut by holding down the SIM key and pressing the Clicks key. This is a great way to save the power bank for the keyboard itself. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to turn the backlight on and off too. Hold down the SIM key and press the microphone key to toggle between the backlight being off and into its automatic mode. There's a lot more to cover about Power Keys, so let me know what you want me to cover next.